But he showed me this brand new thing, which was ChatGPT, and it's probably the most mind blown I've ever been in my life from seeing a product.
One of the biggest myths in AI is that you need to be a technical genius to build a real business. But what if you go from having zero coding experience to not only running a profitable AI agency, but also building a $1 million SaaS from scratch? So today I'm sitting down with Albert, who did exactly that. And in the last year, he's built a combined AI agency, info product, and SaaS business that's now doing over 160K per month collectively. And in this interview, he's going to be revealing his entire blueprint, like everything, how he survived the initial 4 months of failure when trying to start his agency to getting his first clients using what he calls a clever decoy offer, the exact copy-paste content strategy that he's used to get 240,000 followers in just 8 months, and the step-by-step process he used to build his own $100,000 per month AI SaaS product without writing a single line of code himself. So let's get into it. All right, Albert, mate, great to finally meet you. Excited to have you on to hear your journey. So what are you going to share with us today?
I have a lot of shit prepared for you guys today. I'll show you how exactly I went from 0 to 240,000 followers in 8 months, how I vibe coded a $1 million SaaS with no coding experience. And also, if you're just starting up, what I think is the best way that you can get into AI right now. I've broken it up in 4 steps: how I started, to how I built software, and then how I scaled on social media. If you're just starting out, I'd always recommend that you start with a service-based business. If you're just like me and you scroll Instagram, you're going to see day trading, crypto. The problem with those business models is that it takes money to make money. It's the name of the game. So what I did when I started out is that I looked after service-based businesses, things where you can learn a skill with your time and then monetize that skill, like an AI agency, like social media marketing. And the way I started out is that I was in Melbourne on vacation when I met this random guy that came up to us in a hostel with one of those cheap wine boxes, the 2 liter ones with the absolute worst quality.
I've had a
And
few of those when I was traveling.
yeah,
Same thing.
but he showed me this brand new thing, which was ChatGPT, and it's probably the most mind blown I've ever been in my life from seeing a product. I knew this shit was going to change the world. So when I came back from vacation, I had 2 paths I could go on. I could either go to uni, study 5 years software development, which was kind of my original plan, or I could go all in on this new AI thing where the outcome was really unknown because I barely knew what it was yet.